Hello again, and welcome to another episode of The High Techman. I'm your High Techman. I am Ken Chan, and today we're going to install snaps. And first, we're going to talk a little bit about what snaps are. Snaps are easy to install, secure, cross-platform, and dependency-free, which means the snap package can be installed on most Linux distributions without the dependency failure issue. Now, this is from www.fosslinux.com. That's where I'm getting this information from that I'm reading to you. It's directly from their site. Snaps are the Canonical's way of providing packages that can install on any Linux distribution. For those of us who've never heard of Canonical, it's the company that develops Ubuntu. What are snaps? Snaps are created similarly as any other Linux app, except that a single package is compiled along with all the dependencies required for the app to function. It's a self-contained package similar to AppImage, with the latter being only a portable app. Therefore, the installation of snap packages is tremendously successful, unlike the standard packages that often break due to unresolved dependencies. Snap packages are available for desktop, cloud, and IoT devices as well. They are easy to install, secure, cross-platform, and dependency-free. Okay, so there's a little bit about that, and you can read more if you go to www.fosslinux.com. You can read some more about snaps, but basically what snaps are, it's just like when you have sudo apt-get install. Instead of that, you're going to say snap install. Okay, now there's a whole bunch of different ways that I found on the internet to install these, to install snaps. And it's actually, they say snaps, but it's actually snap. And the controller app for it is actually called Snapd. But I'm going to show you the way that I found that works just fine. It's different, maybe a little different, maybe a little simpler than some of the other ones out there. I have tried this on the usual suspects, on the latest Peppermint. I've done this on Mint. I've done this on Ubuntu Budgie. I've done this on Xubuntu and Lubuntu, latest versions of all those. So, and it's not that hard. You just open up a terminal here. Now, I already have these installed, so. And we're going to say, oops. Just that easy. Sudo apt-get install snap. And we're going to hit that, and it's going to tell. I'm going to have to put in my password here. Snap is already the newest version. Now, there's another way of saying you can say sudo apt-get install snapd. That's snap the way I have it spelled there with a D after it, and it does the same thing. So we'll say that and watch. And Snapd is already the newest version, the newest version. So, but this is telling me I can auto-remove, so I'm going to go ahead and auto-remove whatever that is. While I'm here, there's something in there I can get rid of. But anyway, it's the same. Basically, it's the same thing. And once you do that and it runs through the whole rigmarole, then you'll have snap installed. Okay, it says snaps. They're called snaps, but really it's snap, singular. SNAP. So let's say you want to install something like Spotify. It's really easy to do using snaps. You just say snap install. Snap install Spotify. This thing comes up. You'll have a box there now that you put your password in instead of in the command in the terminal itself. Now it says Snap Spotify is already installed. See Snap Help Refresh, which you can do. And I've already installed Spotify using Snap. So you can do the same thing. And there's other apps that you can get that way. Midori. It's a very private kind of browser. You can also Snap install Midori. And there's several other things that you can do with the Snap too. But basically what I'm showing you here is how to install the Snap. And then you can, from there, very easily install other applications using Snaps. So that's it. That's it from me for today. I just wanted to share that with you. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you would like, I have started a podcast. It's on Anchor FM. I'll put a link to it in the description. So, and actually on my YouTube channel, if you go up into the logo, the very top logo, the biggest thing on this, the great big peppermint thing. If you go to the bottom right corner of that, you'll see a little tiny icon that has a direct link to Anchor FM, where you can check out the podcast. It's my first attempt at a podcast, so bear with me as I work my way through that. Something to check out on your phone or PC or wherever you are on the go or whatever. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. Happy computing, and we'll see you next time.